Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to create that cool ripped paper pop-out effect in Canva? I'll show you how. Click the Create button to start, then select Custom Size. Enter the dimensions you need for your project. Once your canvas opens, go to the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type paper hole and press Enter. Browse through the available options and choose a paper hole design you like. Click on the paper hole element to add it to your canvas, then adjust its placement and size as needed. Click on this element here to select it. Next, go back to the Elements tab and search for an image that you would like to use in your design. To add a photo to a contact, first, open your contacts list and select the person you want to update. Tap on their name to open their details. Then, tap the Edit icon, choose York Add Photo or the camera icon, and select a new image. Save your changes. Select the object you want to add. Next, remove the background by using the Background Removal tool. This will isolate the main subject and make it ready to place anywhere in your project. Now, you can easily add the edited image to your design as needed. Trim the image by selecting it and dragging the edges to adjust its size. Next, move the image to your desired position on the canvas by clicking and dragging it. This makes space for you to add another image. To add the new image, click the Upload button and select your file. Position the new image as needed, arranging it alongside or overlapping the trimmed image as you prefer. To enable auto-click, open the Settings menu, locate the accessibility options, and select auto-click. Adjust the delay time based on your preference. Once set, your device will automatically click after the specified delay. Let's add a drop effect to enhance this element. Start by selecting the object you want to apply the effect to. In your toolbar, click on Effects, then choose Drop Shadow from the list of options. Adjust the shadow's color, opacity, angle, distance, and blur settings as needed to achieve the look you want. You can preview the changes in real time. Once you're satisfied with the effect, click Apply to save your settings. The drop effect is now added, creating depth and visual interest for a more professional appearance in your design. To adjust the intensity, look for the intensity slider located beneath the main controls. Drag the slider left to decrease intensity, or right to increase it, until you reach your desired level. If you'd like to repeat the effect, simply click the Apply Again button. This will reapply the effect using your selected intensity setting to achieve a consistent result every time. Select the image shown here. You can move it to a new position by clicking and dragging it where you want on the canvas. If you want to create a copy of this image, use the duplicate function. This allows you to have multiple copies of the same image, which you can then move or edit individually. Superimpose the layer onto your main image. Next, select the Crop tool and adjust the borders around the area you want to keep. Crop the superimposed image to fit precisely within your chosen space. Take a moment to review the alignment and make final adjustments as needed to ensure everything looks seamless within your composition. You can also adjust the size of the element here. Simply click and drag any of the corners to make it larger or smaller as needed. This allows you to customize its appearance to fit your layout perfectly. Experiment with different sizes until you achieve the look that works best for your project. After you finish your design, click the Share button, then select Download. You can choose the file size and adjust the pattern quality as needed before saving the final version to your device for use or sharing. You just learned how to pop out of a ripped paper hole in Canva. Give this a like and subscribe for more creative tricks.